under what conditions can you kick the counterplan?
It's conditional.
They're both conditional. All right. This is okay. On the advantage flows, you read these cards that like there's no risk of extinction from an asteroid. We have found a bunch of asteroids and stuff. These evidence are citing studies done at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Am I correct?
Among other things, yeah, I mean.
Among other things. All right.
It,
your Fischetti evidence.
specific.
Your Fischetti evidence that says NASA can deflect, not actually solve the F, but NASA is concerned nonetheless. Scientists estimate they have found fewer than 1% of the projectiles. Seems to answer a majority of your case arguments.
No, our evidence indicates that NASA is continuing to get funding over the next 10 years. To
No. That card says that NASA has only found less than 1%.
Right,
of all
it's found over
projectiles. Your
yeah,
other
in the
galaxy.
Literally, it says it's found over 2,300 that have the potential to hit the Earth. However, with continued funding, it can continue to catalog
It can
all these
continue to
near Earth
catalog.
objects
No,
and come up with
I
strategies.
get it.
to be
You're
able to
defending
deflect
that card. That card's pretty good. You read like 3 or 4 other cards on case that say we've detected all of the asteroids that would hit the U.S. or hit the Earth and they don't cause extinction. Seems to be 2 contradictory claims. One card says NASA hasn't done it. The other card says they have done it.
I don't think that's, no, actually I don't think that's either of the 2
All right.
spectrums.
That's fine. Your SCIFT uniqueness evidence says that once we get the TAA passed, that we can get SCIFTA passed because the votes are there. Am I correct?
Yeah, basically it says
All right,
that
so
TAA
post-plan-
is something that's being
Post-plan, who
agreed
would
on
switch
right
their
now.
votes off to vote no on SCIFTA?
Many people in Congress that feel like Congress is spending too much money would back off to the plan and not pass SCIFTA because they believe that it's an unnecessary expenditure.
You have a
Also,
card that
diminishes
says
Obama's
when the
political capital
plan
to get
happens,
our
people would switch their votes.
Our evidence, no, our first piece
All
of
right,
evidence
so you
indicates
don't have
Obama's
a link
political
card?
capital is what's allowing him to
Which
come up
card
with an
says
agreement.
that?
The link card?
The PC key card
First
that
card,
says Obama
the
will
uniqueness
first have to
card.
make the case
Hold on,
that free
Colin.
trade agreements are good for U.S. and U.S. workers. Why can't he do that after the plan happens?
You wouldn't have the political capital to keep the fragile.
So, Obama needs
coalition
political
for
capital to
SCIFTA.
talk about SCIFTA. He can't defend SCIFTA if he doesn't have any political capital.
That's the theory of political capital, dude. Like, if Obama is expending political capital to get something done, and then immediately switches to something
No,
else that's
not-
contentious, he'll lose the clout
All right.
that's created.
I think
the
I
coalition
asked this
past
question
SCIFTA.
incorrectly. Your evidence does not say Obama needs political capital. It says he needs to defend the free trade agreement. Why can't
It literally
he do
says he
that?
needs political capital to, quote, get the job done.
Defend it, yeah. Otherwise it